What's up, YouTube? Got a new package in. I know I said on the Mongoose with the triple tree, and like it turned on cue right there just now. But the Mongoose triple tree, I said I was gonna keep it solid. But got a new package in today. And it's gonna be a new triple tree, but this is, if I have to guess, is gonna be the bearing race or either the star nut, one of the two. Okay, we got the star nut, came with it. Those of you in the bike world, you know what that is. That holds the top on. We're gonna get this thing unboxed here. And I'm a little excited for this because I do like the triple tree look, but when I switch over to my Dynamite, which is the blue one, Mongoose, I got a suspension fork on it, and I do miss the suspension when I'm riding the black one, which is a malus. I said I wasn't giving Mongoose no free advertisement, but some people are going to want to know what the bikes are. So, Mongoose and a malus. Malus is silver. Mongoose is, the Dynamite is black frame, and it's just the frames, but we got some, I don't even know how to, Himalo, that's what it looked like, Himalo, Himalo. Some Himalos, suspension forks. They're air with different dampening. I kind of wanted the lockout ones, but I couldn't find the lockout ones in the triple tree, so I just went with these. But as you can see, it's gonna give me a little more extension in the front. And like I said, there are suspension forks with dampening. Oh yeah, I can tell the difference in that. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm gonna be installing these. You want to see an install video, I can show you one, but technically, yeah. So it's gonna have the front end up a little bit, about the same as my Dynamite, the black frame one. It's gonna have it up. I'm glad to have a longer neck, so now I can put my original neck back on there, because I had to buy one that had a little different angle on it. But now with this, I can put the other one back on. And yeah, I think it's gonna be great right there.